Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through making a Father's Day vest gift card holder. It's so adorable. I found it on Dreaming Tree, and I'll leave the link below. It's also another freebie. So what you'll want to do is download it, and we're going to go ahead and upload it to Cricut Design Space. And from there, let's go ahead and get started. So what we'll want to do is ungroup everything. Okay, so right here, all you're going to do is select it and hit attach and slide that over. So here we need to go ahead and select it, and we're going to click on the right hand side. You'll see that square that just popped up. That is the score line. So we're going to go ahead, go to operations, change it to score. Now select both of the score and the picture and hit attached, and then let's slide the envelope over. We are going to go ahead and ungroup it, and we're going to select the square in the middle, change that to a score line, and that is it. We're going to go ahead and select both of them and hit attach. So that's all we need to do, and then we're going to go ahead and hit make it. So for this project, we have to score these two. So we'll need this scoring tool. And let's go ahead and hit continue. And I'm going to use cardstock for intricate cuts. And we're going to go ahead and cut the paper. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to have, this is the envelope. We're going to set that aside. And then we have, this is the vest. And this is the liner for the back of the vest. And we have some little pieces here that go on the vest. Let's fold this. So you have these three that say Dad. So let's go ahead and glue this onto here. We're just going to line it up so it'll look just like this. And then we're going to put the next one over it. And again, line it up so it'll look just like that. And then let's go ahead and place that right here in the inside the vest. Okay, so this is what we have so far. This has the little cut lines. I don't know if you can see it, but so you know where to place the next piece. I'm going to place this here. We're going to do the next side. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so this is what we have so far. We need to get these little pieces. This one will go right here. You just want to make sure you line it up. Next, we are going to add these pieces. This is the pocket, and again, you'll see the little cut. That's because that is where you place it, right in between there. So let's go ahead and do that one. And the next side. Now we need to add the little fold over part. We're going to place this right here. Have those little cut marks. So those you want to have face up. And I'll show you why in just a second. Okay, so I'm going to take a black, like a thin marker, and since these two are the same colors, what I'm going to do is just kind of draw a black like line around it to kind of make it pop a little bit more. So you can just kind of see it a little bit better. It gives it a little bit of dimension. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the little cut lines and just put a little black mark on it so that those pop out. See, I think it looks super cute when you do that. So I'm going to continue doing that. Okay, and let's go ahead and glue this on the back. This goes right here. And the gift card goes right in here. So I'm just going to pop that out, okay? And then place this on the back. And just line it up. Okay, so if you open this, you can place the gift card right here. Okay, so the gift card goes right there, and then you close. And then let's set that aside really quick and do the envelope. All right, so we're just gonna fold on the score lines. Super easy. And then this has a little fish that goes on here. And if you can see that there is little cut marks again, so you know where to place the fish. So it goes right here, and you'll see the fish fits perfectly. So let's go ahead and put some glue on this little fish. Okay, place this here. And then let's go ahead and apply the glue here. This is the envelope that goes with the card. So isn't that super cute, you guys? It's a nice way, a different way to give a gift card. So comment below, let me know what you guys think. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.